Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you the contents of Iberia's business class amenity kit. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is Iberia's latest amenity kit. This is as of March 2025. So you've got the bag there. So pretty standard contents, eye mask, got lip balm, some facial cream. Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary here. Got the dental kit, earplugs, and some socks, some very long socks. Almost look like compression socks, but not quite. So those are the contents of Iberia's business class amenity kit.